In this video, we're going to look at how you can prototype your web or app design. So in XD, I've switched over from my design to my prototype, and we're going to begin wireframing in our interactions. So the first thing you want to do is set up your home screen. And so that is noted by this blue icon with the little home logo. And I can make any of my artboards the home logo by just clicking on the title and then clicking on that home icon. So then to begin wireframing things in, I just select the entire artboard or the icon, and you can see I get these little blue arrows. That's what I'm going to drag to the screens that I want to create interaction. So I'm going to drag from that app screen to the splash screen, and I'm going to transition this, and I want it to go to that splash screen, so the destination is the same as the name of the artboard, and I'm going to have that push left. Here I can set my ease in and ease out as well as the duration. So to just preview what that interaction looks like, I can tap my play button, and that's that interaction. I've already created some interaction between the splash screen and the home screen. So let's dig into this home screen and look at some other options. So I'm going to select this search icon, and I want this to bring up that search screen, but I don't want it to transition to this screen. I want this screen to be overlaid, like when you type something in. So I'm going to change my action to overlay, and you can see I get this nice placement icon, so I can move that, and I have it sized exactly how I want it to display. So now it will overlay on that screen. For this add page, I'm just going to link over to this. Notice that it pulls my last interaction. So in this case, I want it to go as a transition, and we're going to have it slide left. So you continue mapping out all of your pages with your transitions. I want to show you another one that's a little different. So let's zoom this out a bit. And so with this image, what I want to have happen is just an auto animation from this specific image to like a description of the artist in this photo. So I'm going to drag over to this board, and I'm going to auto animate it. And auto animate will pull the iconography and create a smooth transition. So this would be the type of thing that maybe you're buying tickets and that type of event. So let's go ahead and preview some of the interactions we created here. So I'm going to select this first page, and there's that interaction. Here's our second. We can scroll down. There's that search overlay. Click that image. There's that. So you can see those are all of our interactions across our prototype.